As an innovator, you never really have no work. You create work for yourself. You look around for problems and your mind is always working. You're looking for problems and you're finding out solutions for it. Hi friends, I'm Pratna Shah from Ahmedabad. It's a great pleasure to connect with all of you through Soil Cup and share a bit about myself and the work that we do. Sincere thanks to the Soil Cup team. Let me start with introducing myself. I'm a product service system designer. I love to solve problems and make people's lives simpler through innovations, and I strive for sustainability, and I believe design and entrepreneurship to be the perfect combination to introduce it to people's lifestyles. My startup is called Bottomline. Meet Bottomline. Bottomline is a portable jet spray for people who feel discomfort in using toilet paper, and usually the people who are on the go. It all started 4 years ago. I was in France for a semester exchange program where I missed the convenience and hygiene of the jet spray back home. Toilet paper was irritable and just not comfortable. Upon speaking to a friend, we realized this to be a common problem amongst Indians with no solid solution. So, together we decided to solve this problem. We started developing a product that would solve the woe of the Indian traveler. And as it turned out, this was not just for travelers or students, but this was a perfect solution for bedridden patients, seniors, and even adventure sports enthusiasts. So we faced a couple of initial struggles, and one of the major one was that we were developing this product and we needed to test it out rapidly. And in order to do that, we wanted to put certain amount of products into the market, and no manufacturer was ready to produce lower quantity. And the way we overcame this was by finding small scale local manufacturers and dividing our components into separate parts and outsourcing it with these separate small scale manufacturers, and we left the assembly in our facilities. And we also did face a lot of difficulties with the government procedures and commercial procedures to bring about an innovative product into the market. The first milestone we achieved, which we still cherish, is being featured by BuzzFeed internationally under this article titled 14 Travel Gadgets on Sale, which were probably made by a genius. And we do take pride in that. The best thing about our business is to see the happiness and joy in our customers' lives when they truly find a way to deal with the problems that they face. And apart from that, our company has a lot of different diverse products in the pipeline, and we love the fact that we can experiment with a lot of different things and bring forth actual solutions to real problems. And one of the products in the making right now is a board game, which stay tuned for that, which we will put forward soon. On a more personal front, yes, there are times when I feel stressed because of some irritants or some problems in the work. And the way we usually deal with it is by going and speaking to people. Because, for example, one of the problems that we faced initially was to reach out to the right kind of target audience, the right market, and we didn't know how to approach them. In that case, what we did was we figured out we pulled out contacts of whoever had experience in this field, spoke to them, got some advice, read a lot about it, and tackled the problem one step at a time. And the other things, there are times when it just gets really stressful. What we do sometimes in that case is like you just need to take a break at times and handle that problem with fresh mind. Along with that, there are certain times when you don't have enough work. And what we do in that case, you ask? Well, honestly, as an innovator, you never really have no work. You create work for yourself. You look around for problems and Your mind is always working, you're looking for problems and you're finding out solutions for it. Bottom line is just one product, but we're working on several other solutions like that, system related, service related, or product related. Bottom line is compact and extremely lightweight, so you can put it in any of your purses, bags, wherever you want, and it won't cause you any trouble when you're traveling. And it comes with this pouch, this travel pouch, which makes it easy to be carried around. Once you open it, we give magic hooks with these. These could be put onto any surfaces. You just have to stick it at your preferred height. We recommend eye level, and they are reusable in the sense that once you're done using them at one place, you can peel it off. They're markless, they won't leave any marks. Put it back into the bag, wash it, let it dry, and reuse it. And the product is this. You just have to roll it out, and this is how it looks. You place it, you hang it with your hooks, and you put in water over here. It is very easy to use. You just have to zip it in once you're done using it, and you can place the nozzle onto this stand that we provide so that it doesn't dangle around and it's convenient to use. And it has this on and off nozzle mechanism, which makes it extremely user-friendly to use, and it's exactly like home. And the best part about Bottom Line is that it's also really sustainable, because toilet papers use a lot of resources to be made, whereas Bottom Line is reusable, durable, which makes it the best sustainable travel buddy for you. So you love traveling and you want to travel comfortably and hygienically, you know what to get. Bottom Line. And it's available on Amazon.in and also internationally on Amazon.com. You could, if you want to contact us, you could contact us through our website, which is www.bottomlinesprays.com, or you could also connect to us through Instagram at @bottomlinesprays. Thank you, and we hope a very, very convenient and pleasurable travels to you.